Asian stocks camped out at 18th-month peaks on Wednesday, having climbed for 5 straight sessions, while the British pound was licking fresh wounds as revived Brexit fears came back to haunt it. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside was dead flat, near its highest since June last year. Japan's Nikkei dipped 0.4% and off a 2019 top. Shanghai blue chips were steady after hitting an 8th-month peak on Tuesday and as Beijing trimmed another short-term interest rate. Upbeat economic news had helped the S&P 500 reach a record for the 4th straight session, building on its 27% gain this year. The Dow ended Tuesday up 0.19%, while the S&P 500 gained 0.07% and the Nasdaq 0.11%. U.S. housing starts were surprisingly strong in November, and building permits rose to the highest level since May 2007. Manufacturing output picked up more than expected as a strike at General Motors ended. A run of better data recently has helped calm fears of recession, while the Phase 1 Sino-US deal on trade seems to have lifted some of the uncertainty on the global outlook. The change was clear in BofA Global Research's latest survey of fund managers, with recession concerns diving 33 percentage points to a net 68% of investors saying a recession is now unlikely in 2020. Global growth expectations jumped 22 percentage points, marking the biggest 2-month rise on record. As a result, funds allocation to global equities climbed 10 percentage points to a net 31% overweight, the highest level in a year. Yet it might be too soon to declare an all-clear on the political front, with UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson upsetting markets by taking a hard line on Brexit talks. Johnson will use the prospect of a Brexit cliff edge at the end of 2020 to demand the EU give him a comprehensive free trade deal in less than 11 months. The threat of a hard exit sent shivers through sterling, which slid 1.5% in its largest one-day fall this year. The pound was down another 0.2% on Wednesday at $1.3096, having shed all the gains made during the Conservative Party's big election win. Sterling's slide gave the dollar index a lift to 97.243 against a basket of currencies, extending a bounce from last week's 5-month low of 96.588. The euro has also surged on the pound and was a shade softer on the dollar at $1.1134. The yen was little changed at 109.45 per dollar. Spot gold idled at $1,476.63 per ounce after a couple of very quiet sessions. Oil prices eased from 3-month highs as data showed U.S. crude stocks rose unexpectedly in the most recent week. U.S. crude fell 42 cents to $60.52 a barrel, while Brent crude futures lost 31 cents to $65.78. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to track the market pulse and get the latest economic data.